Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial we will learn about how to backup and restore your Blogger blog. At first log into your Blogger dashboard, then select the Themes section. Under Themes section go to Customize and hit on Backup. A pop-up will open on your downloads, save it to your local drive. Hooray, that's it, you have successfully downloaded your Blogger template. Now we will learn how to restore the downloaded template. Repeat the same process. Go to Themes section under that Customize. Now click on Restore and then upload the downloaded file. Now wait for it to restore. Now that you are done, hope you like this tutorial. If you did like, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel The Infinite Scoop.